Welcome back. Now, one of the tools that you'll use quite often when you have sensitive information on a screenshot is going to be the blur tool. And you can find the blur tool by going to the image area, going to your tools, and then if you come down to this point, you're going to see the blur tool. And basically what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to draw a box over the area that you want to blur. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to then draw the box here in order to blur that area out. If we want to control the intensity, we can do that. And then you can control the level at which the blur occurs. And again, using the blur tool is as simple as drawing a blur box over the area that you want to have blurred. Now in some cases you can pixelate or you can change the nature of the blur by using some of the styles. You'll see the style change here, and you can use the styles as you see fit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.